So before the run starts, guys, I just really quick wanted to highlight what Rosa does to give some context for what's about to happen. So off one party buff in her auras, she gives the party 85 extra percent attack, 60% extra max brave, 75% int brave, brave regen, 80% of int brave, a 5% HP regen, and 20% overfull limit. Now that's with her fully kitted, having all her passives, all her buffs. But this is insane, and all of this can be stacked with normal buffs. So this is why, to give you guys some context, why Rosa was so hyped as a support unit. And if you pulled her EX and you're unsure about whether you should 3-3 her, she's definitely worth the investment. She's absolutely tremendous, insane longevity, lasts forever in terms of relevancy. So yeah, if you guys have the resources, then she's definitely worth a look. Credit to the Tomberry Troop for these buffs and auras laid out so plainly. I'll have a link again to all their infographics at the bottom. They have brilliant stuff, list stuff just like this. Anyways, guys, enjoy the run, and yeah, I will see you in the run, which is just like a second later, so what are you waiting for? So now that you guys have seen the Rosa infographic, you've seen all the numbers, I think it's time we put it into practice. So Lightning, the waifu, of course, is not Chaos viable, but these two together are going to make her Chaos viable. It's going to be glorious. I figure what better way to show off Rosa's power than to do that. That's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to be bring Vanille, the waifu Lightning, and Rosa. And we don't have really any turn manipulation aside from Lightning's free turns. This is just going to be an old-fashioned brawl. Don't get broken. And yeah, this will be challenging. Now, there are a couple things to note. So number one, Vanille has a passive that I can take advantage of. So if she's above 50% health, then if she would take a fatal blow, she'll live with 1 HP. So I can definitely manipulate that. Like if I need to do some damage, like ASAP with Vanille dump real quick, but it'll result in a break, I can take that break as long as I'm above 50% health. Oh, excuse me. Rosa also gives re-raise to everyone, but, you know, it's kind of, in my opinion, a worthless buff, because it tanks your score so hard still that the chances of you actually still making the score are pretty slim. So, yeah, I don't really understand why it's in the game, but I guess that's neither here nor there. HPU. And you know what? Just to make sure you die, we're going to Dispel. Her EX was ready. I didn't think it was going to be ready, so that's why I did Death with Vanille there and didn't save a break for Lightning. That's alright, Lightning's hitting 9999 in Chaos, so everything's okay. Guys, I'm so excited for her EX Plus, like, you guys have no idea. Ugh. Can't wait. I just can't wait. She's so fun, so good. Oh, nice miss. Alright, Lightning gets a free break. Thank you, sir. Free turn for me. Beautiful. Yeah, with like literally every mechanic in the game helping her out, defense drop, invisible passives, etc. Lightning can do some damage. that's that's basically the only way in Chaos at the moment. But yeah, hey, it just goes to show you, let your dreams be reality. You can do anything. Okay, well, see you next year, Rosa. You know what? Yeah, what is HP? We're gonna save that break for lightning. Okay, life cut is totally okay. I'm good with that. Let's try and take B out before he gets in return. I think we can take him out. Not A, but B definitely. Oh, her getting slapped with Curse sucks. Yeah. Ugh. Hopefully we can get that off before the final wave. Okay, nice. Okay, I'm just going to use this, burn a turn, HP, and there we go. Curse is gone. Okay, here we go. Shit gets real now. Alright, now, I cannot remember if I mentioned this earlier, so I will just mention this again, just in case. So Vanille has a passive where if she's above 50% health and she takes a fatal blow, she'll drop down to 1. She'll actually survive it. So I do plan on taking advantage of that when and if I can. I'm also going to focus down one beetle. That way he goes enraged, but the second one remains calm. So that way, I only have to worry about one beetle destroying my life instead of both. Okay, here we go. Yeah, we got a battery Rosa up here. same deal. I got a battery Rosa, otherwise, yeah, she's gonna get broken, and then that'll be very, very bad. You know what? I think I'm gonna hold off on using a Luminous Arrow. Save that break for lightning. Let's do that. Okay, that actually works. That's fine. Yeah, I needed to get Rosa in there between B and A. That was not gonna work out. Okay, push B back. Hopefully this splits the two B attacks up. Gets them away from each other. They're way too close for my comfort. Nope. Okay, so this is fine. Okay, I can breathe. Okay, yeah, let's pop Prey. Okay, so I think this is a good example of when I can sack Vanille, have her get hit by a fatal attack, because I think this will break. Oh, it did not. Okay, never mind. We're good. I thought for sure that was going to break. Okay, good. Okay, this is a good time. Had to think it over, but yeah, this is a good time to do it. We'll have Rosa's EX available, sadly, but this was just going to work out the best in terms of timing, because now both of them are all attacking, so I can freeze Joker them. They'll do 0 damage each. Yeah, it was too gold of an opportunity to pass up. Okay, that's fine. And that's fine. Beautiful. Nice. That was a good launch. Good launch. Okay, so he's dead. So here's the thing. If I kill B, A will immediately dispel himself, and then he'll annihilate Setzer. So I think I need to just let him attack Setzer. He's not going to do anything, because he's frozen. And then, next turn then, I can wipe him out. Okay, yeah, that was definitely the best plan there. These are the Galaxy Brain plays, people. Excuse me. Hold on. Wait just a second. Is the waifu about to have a double kill to finish this match off? Oh, she absolutely is. See ya, dude. And who says dreams don't happen? That was awesome. Oh my god, bringing the waifu into chaos was awesome. Hope you guys enjoyed. That was a terrific run. Rosa is definitely worth the hype. She's incredible. Yeah, thank you so much, you guys, for watching. And if you enjoyed the infographic at the very start, then I encourage you to check the description below. I'll have a link there to all the Tomberry Troops work, their infographics. Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant stuff, guys. Please check them out if you're interested. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. That was so satisfying. Oh my god. See you in the next video. Take care.